Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn French with Peehu. I'm Peehu and today we'll start with a new topic, the French numbers. So this is the part 1 of this video. So let me recall you what we have done in a previous video. So we have talked about the French accents and its 5 main types. So today we'll finally start with a new topic, French numbers. So let me give you a short outcome what we will cover in this video. So we will recognize and pronounce numbers from 1 to 20, form and use French numbers in simple sentences, understand number patterns in French, and also a practice time quiz at the end. So first, let me give you a short introduction about the French numbers. So violent French numbers in French. Numbers are used every day in prices, time, shopping, age, phone numbers, travel or tickets, counting, or in everyday use, like in English. So the numbers in French are same written as in English, but they have different pronunciations, spellings, and many more differences that we will cover in this video. So like about doing shopping, the seller says you it costs 10 euros. So how will you say it in French? We will say ça coûte 10 euros. And for telling time, we will say il est 3 heures. For talking about age, we will say j'ai 20 ans. Means I'm 20 years old. And in phone numbers, mon numéro is 01, 22. Means my number is 1, 22, etc. So that's how we talk about numbers in French. So let's start with the number 1 to 10. So to say the number 1, we say ah, ah, ah. So it sounds like the nasal sound like ah, ah. So ah means 1. And to say 2, we say de, de, de. So it sounds like de, means 2. And for saying 3, we use trois, trois, trois. So trois means 3. And for the 4, we'll say quatre, quatre, quatre. So quatre means 4. And cinq, cinq, cinq. So cinq means 5. So for the 6, we say six, six, six. So six means 6. Let's move to 7. So 7 is pronounced as set, set, set. So set means 7. And for the 8, we say huit, huit, huit. So huit means 8. So for your pronunciations, I give the third column also to help you in pronunciations. So let's move to 9. So 9 is pronounced as neuf, neuf, neuf. So 9 is neuf. And for the 10, we say dix, dix, dix. So dix means 10. So let's pronounce one more time. Un, un, un. Deux, deux, deux. Trois, trois, trois. Quatre, quatre, quatre. Cinq, cinq, cinq. Six, six, six. Sept, sept, sept. Huit, 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 neuf, 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 and at the end for the 10 it's dix, dix, dix. So it will sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the numbers from 1 to 10. Now let's move on to 11 to 20. So let's move on to 11. So 11 is pronounced as onze, onze, onze. So 11 is pronounced as onze. And for the 12, it's douze, douze, douze. So 12 is pronounced as douze. Let's move on to 13. So 13 is pronounced as treize, treize, treize. So 13 is 13. And 14 is pronounced as quatorze, quatorze, quatorze. 14 is pronounced as quatorze. So you are seeing a pattern in these numbers. These numbers are ending with the letter ZE. They are all ending with ZE at the end. So where you see ZE ending, so you can just remember like it's from the series 11 to 20. So it will help you in pronunciation as well as in spellings also. So let's move on to 15. So 15 is pronounced as quinze, quinze, quinze. So quinze is 15. 16 is pronounced as seize, seize, seize. 16 is pronounced as seize. And 17 is pronounced as dix-sept, dix-sept, dix-sept. So dix-sept is 17. And for the 18 is dix-huit, dix-huit, dix-huit. 18 is pronounced as dix-huit. And for the 19 it's dix-neuf, dix-neuf, dix-neuf. 19 is pronounced as dix-neuf. And for the 20 it's vingt, vingt, vingt. For the 20 it's vingt. So you are seeing one thing, from the numbers from 17 to 19, they all have a hyphen between them. So what's the logic of that hyphen? So let's see about that. So let's see how the numbers are formed in French. So the formation of numbers. So the numbers from 1 to 16 are unique, like you have shown. But after the 16, you will start to recognize a number pattern. From 17, a base plus number system is applicable to all numbers till 20. Example, so how can you write 17? So 17 can also be written as 10 plus 7, right? So how we say 10? So 10 is pronounced as these, as we saw earlier, and 7 is pronounced set. So 10 plus 7 is equal to these plus set. So we will just remove the plus sign and replace with a hyphen. So that's the logic of using the hyphen between the numbers. So like also you can see in 18 how 18 is written. So it's 10 plus 8, which is these plus 8. So that's how these 8 and these set are formed. So that's all about the numbers. So now let's move on to practice time. So what is the French word for the number 8? Think about it. Yes, you're correct. It's the option B, huit. Now, which number does the word onze represent? Yes, you're correct. It's the option A, 11. How do you say 15 in French? Yeah, it's quinze, the option D. Solve the math problem in French, de plus 3. So what is 2? It's 2. And what is 3? It's 3. So 2 plus 3 is equals to? Yeah, you're correct. It's the option A, 5. Which of these is the number 13? Yeah, you're right. It's the option B, 13. What is 20 divided by 2? So 20 is 20 and 2 is 2. So what is 20 divided by 2? Yeah, you're correct. It's 10. The option A, these. So how do you write 19 in French? Yeah, you're correct. It's the option C, 19. So that's all for today's video. Great job, you have just learned French numbers. Keep practicing every day and you'll improve faster than you think. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So bye and see you soon.